Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Nissan Navara dual cab STR, stock reference number 4615. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Both left-hand doors have minor small dents. Left side step, 16-inch. Left rear, factory alloy mag with average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, factory fitted sports bar. Tailgate has a couple of small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have multiple dents. Right hand side step. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right guard flared type appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central lock type. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a vinyl black centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.